Looking for the best leg exerciser? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 leg exerciser on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Elliptical Machine Foot Pedal Exerciser. Built-in measuring tool evaluates the speed and duration of a workout and records the number of calories burned. Choose from 8 different magnetic resistance settings. Includes an easily adjustable knob that changes the magnetic resistance of a workout. Easy to store and transport, compact and equipped with molded handles. Digitally monitor the length and efficacy of a workout with Sunny Health's Machine Foot Pedal Exerciser. May be too heavy to carry for users who are pregnant or in physical rehabilitation. At number 2. Vaunn Folding Pedal Exerciser with Electronic Display. Shaped like a classic 2-wheel bicycle with familiar motive mechanics. Gentle exercises increase blood flow and strengthen weakened muscles. Built-in monitor displays length of workout and number of calories burned. Manually adjust resistance with an easy turn knob. Foldable and easy to store. Straightforward, foldable pedal exerciser with an electronic display for measuring and monitoring exercises. May slide on the floor if not adequately secured with a heavier object or non-slip surface. At number 1. Exerpeutic Motorized Electric Legs and Arms Pedal Exerciser. Easily adjust pedal speed with a handheld controller. Controller is attached by an extendable cord, so it will never get lost. Automatically adjusts to the movement of the user's feet to prevent injuries from overexertion. Safe and secure, includes a floor mat that prevents slips. Comprehensive legs and arms exerciser with added electronic monitoring features for best results. Not equipped with magnetic resistance. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.